These three little piggies say I ain't good as Biggie. These motherfucking niggas say my pen game is iffy. This ain't just yelling, nigga, this is storytelling. Are there any seeds up in that watermelon? Just because the melanin never sold the heroin, still got the avalanche flow that will bury them. Still got the pyroclastic flow and the calico. Red nigga, pale face, treat me like a Navajo. Bag a hoe, like a nigga work up at Stop and Go. Mop your ass, then do a show, I call it Mop and Glow. Got to get my capital, Ice Cube is tactical. Holy mackerel, don't have to mac a hoe. All I got to do is axe a hoe. Then it's all mathematical. Some say I'm radical, skip the sabbatical.